Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. David Ito here from New York City. I am a yoga and meditation teacher, and since the beginning of the pandemic, like many other teachers, I've been teaching online. So in my channel, you will see a variety of yoga classes and meditation classes as well, from vinyasa, beginner's yoga, core, but also yin, restorative, and chair yoga for those of you who prefer to practice and stretch from the comfort of your own chair. So I welcome you once again and invite you to join me in my online classes and workshops. Please check my schedule in daviditohealing.com and also in my website. You can find the entire video library. If you want to access more classes, you will be able to find them there, over 100 of them for all ages, body types, flexibility, and strength levels. I really want to bring yoga not just to the already established yogis, but to the non-yogis. That is the vast percentage of the population, and a lot of them are afraid. So please check out my content, and if you like it and decide, please come to my online classes as well. Namaste to you all. Please stay safe. Take care. Bye.